this video, I'll be showing you the best Ghost client for Lunar Client and Badlion. Start up by opening up your browser, type slide.xyz. Now go to MC Hacks, scroll down until you see Kura Ghost Client. Once you reach the page, scroll down and click on Download Kura. On here, make sure you follow all of the steps and be careful by not clicking on any ads. Free access with ads. Discover interesting articles. Wait a few seconds, then press X. Discover related topics. Wait a few seconds and then press X. Now continue to the website. Download. Save it. Open it. Now press Setup. Now open Setup. Switch to English. Next. Skip all. Open. This website, press Direct Download. And save. Now you need to disable your antivirus. Do this by pressing the Windows button. Type in Defender. This one, Windows Security. Click on this Shield one. Settings. Real-time protection. Turn it off. Now in your web browser, press Ctrl and J. And press Keep this dangerous file. Don't worry, it's not dangerous. Keep anyway. Now we have the Ghost client. I'm gonna launch Lunar Client now. And we will be testing it out. Now I have Lunar Client open. Now launch Kura. Command a CMD process will be opened, and then the hack is opened right here. Now you have your basic features, clicker and reach, and you also have double clicker. The normal clicker is the big part of this one. You have slot wide list, so it shows that only your sword, which is the first position, works, and none of the other positions work for slots. Also disable the menus if you're not a PvP player, and same thing goes for right clicker. Reach does work, but not on Lunar Client. Now let's try it out in a Skywars match.